Ensure your Sony A1 is running at its absolute best by following this guide to effortlessly update its firmware using your Mac. First, head to the official Sony support website on your Mac, navigate through the camera models, find the A1, locate the firmware section, and download the latest available version specifically for your camera model. Once the download is complete, you'll find a zip file. Double-click this file to extract its contents onto your Mac's desktop. You should now see a single firmware file, ending in .dat. Now, prepare your Sony A1. Ensure the camera battery is fully charged. Insert a formatted SD card into your camera. It's crucial that the card is formatted in camera to ensure compatibility. Connect your Mac to the A1 using a reliable USB cable on your Mac. You'll need to open the extracted firmware file. Your Mac's operating system will guide you through selecting your camera as the destination for this file. Using Finder on your Mac, locate the camera as an external drive. Drag and drop the firmware .dat file directly onto the root directory of your camera's SD card. Do not place it inside any folders. Safely disconnect your camera from your Mac. Turn off your Sony A1, then reinsert the SD card with the firmware file. If you removed it, power on your camera while holding down the menu and playback button simultaneously. The camera's LCD screen will now indicate that a firmware update is available. Select the option to proceed with the update. Your camera will then install the new firmware. Please do not turn off the camera or remove the battery during this process. Once the update is complete, your camera will automatically restart. To confirm the update, navigate to the Setup menu on your camera and check the firmware version. Congratulations, your Sony A1 is now running the latest firmware.